Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. And somebody asked me this cross that I have on Facebook, and all you have to do is put the person's name in there and change the date, is real fragile. I cut it out of 1/8 inch plywood, and I've got several videos on how to sand it. But they asked how they could ship it. So I'm going to show you how you ship it. So, first of all, if you would like these crosses, CorelDrawHelpDoug@gmail.com. And also, I'll put a link to my Facebook page on that has these crosses and a few other files. So you want to ship this cross right here. And first of all, let's group it all together. Whoop. Control G and just move it out of the way, and then take everything off your laser bed. And the easiest way, so this is 1/8 inch plywood. I've shipped quite a few of these, and I take 1/4 inch MDF and contour the hole just a little bit bigger. And then when I ship it, I cover it in wax paper. This one hadn't been sprayed with lacquer, but I spray them with lacquer to make sure they're good and dry. And then I cover them with wax paper, then I put blue painter's tape. But how to make this little container is pretty easy. So you've got this cross, and what I'm going to do is put it in the center of the page for a couple reasons. So I'm going to hit it. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to make the size of the box, whatever size box you want. And this is why I use P for the center of the page. So now I can hit P, and my box is now in the center. I'm going to put a 1/2 inch radius on the corners, just so the sharp corners will not tear up the packaging. And if you look, this is less than 5, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 5. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I was working with somebody else the other day. I want to do black. So fill this in with the Smart Fill tool and move it out of the way. Then left click, right click, and there's your outline. Make sure it's a hairline. And then go to Object, Break Curve Apart. Take your cross, go up to Effects, Contour, and I'm going to contour the outside with rounded corners, 0.05. And then you've got that selected, go to Object, Break Contour Apart, grab the center red cross and hit delete. Make sure this is a hairline, and it is. It happens to be CMYK because I'm using somebody else's file. And then so after you've run your cross, cut this out of MDF, and you're good to go. But I wouldn't put tape straight on it. I would put cut out a piece of wax paper and then tape it real good on both sides so it won't move and won't fall apart. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.